In this question, two statements are given. One is assertion and the other is the reason. And in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Now, assertion states that a person goes to high altitude and experiences altitude sickness with symptoms like breathing difficulty and heart palpitations. Now, it is true, a person going to high altitude often experiences altitude sickness, which includes symptoms like difficulty in breathing and heart palpitations. And it is a common response to being in low oxygen environment at higher altitudes. The reason is that due to low atmospheric pressure at high altitude, the body does not get sufficient oxygen. Now, the reason is also true because at high altitudes, the atmospheric pressure decreases, which means there is less oxygen available in the air. So, as a result, the body struggles to get sufficient oxygen, leading to symptoms like shortness of breath and heart palpitations. Thus, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Hence, the correct answer is option B.